Hello. Well, if you've gotten around to updating your Veridian Life app, then you have seen this new look. The main thing I want to point out is the new feature that allows live mapping, where you can click on a destination and driving directions will be provided in your default GPS. How do you use this feature? Well, let's get right into it. At the very top of the screen, click on the icon of the house with the magnifying glass on it. Now, if you don't already have your location services on, like me, then you will get this message that says you must enable your location services for personalized features. So from here, we'll click Open Settings, and by location, we'll select while using the app, so you won't have to worry about this message coming up in the future. Now, it may take you out of the app, so you'll just have to get back in. So once again, I'm going to click the icon of the house with the magnifying glass on it. And those green magnifying glasses on the map indicate all the parks and trails near me. So I'm going to click on one, and it's Inspiration Park. So now I can click on directions and select my mode of transportation, and ta-da, the route will populate in the Maps app. By sliding your finger across the map, you can explore the many parks and trails that Veridian has to offer. Enjoy your time exploring.